Hi, little friends. Welcome to Grow Diana. It's me, Diana, and today, we're going to have a super fun time counting numbers from 1 to 10. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow!
Yay! You're all such fantastic counters. If you had fun counting with me, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends, so they can count with us too. Oh, and make sure to subscribe to Grow Diana for even more fun learning videos and activities. Just click that big red button. See you soon. Bye-bye.